Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. In today's video, we're getting our backyard patio ready for the holidays. By the time you watch this, Memorial Day will have passed and we will have enjoyed some special outdoor moments. I'm starting by power washing our backyard rug. Unlike pressure washing, I'll be using a special nozzle attached to a regular water hose since I didn't feel like hauling out the pressure washer. I begin by pre-soaking the rug with water. Then I use some awesome cleaner that I purchased from Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. And I'm also using some Dawn Power Wash. Dawn Power Wash has become one of my go-tos for some of my cleaning products. And I absolutely love it. It is so effective that it can remove labels from anything. It can remove the ink from a Target bag. So you can imagine how well it works on a rug. So this process also helps to get rid of the buildup from the fall and winter seasons, as well as the pollen from spring. And I had quite a bit of pollen on this rug and it did come up. You'll see in just a minute. Using an old broom or brush is a great way to effectively remove the dirt and pollen settled in the rug. While it may not be as sophisticated as a vacuum cleaner, the bristles of the broom can reach deep into the fibers of the rug, dislodging particles that may have settled over time. I'm all about repurposing, so of course I'm going to bring out an old broom and use it outdoors. And then you're going to do your final rinse, and if you want, you can even go back over the rug with your broom and you should be good to go. You can let it dry face up or face down. It's all about whatever works for you, and you're pretty much back to a new rug. And I think I have a couple more years left on this rug. I purchased it last year from Lowe's, so I should be good to go. This portion of the video is being sponsored by Homary, and I'm super excited to share with you all why I'm such a huge fan of Homary and their unique furniture pieces that fit any style. Homary.com is one of my absolutely favorite online furniture stores, and I can't wait to show you these stunning outdoor swivel chairs. As I unbox these chairs, let me tell you a bit more about Homary. They offer free delivery on all packages, a 30-day return policy, secure checkout, 24-hour customer service, and a delivery guarantee. It's really a seamless shopping experience from start to finish. While unboxing them inside the house might seem a bit unusual, it actually turned out to be quite convenient. The lighting indoors allowed me to inspect every detail of the chair without the interference of the glaring sun. Now, these chairs only required one portion to be installed to the chair, and that's the base, the swivel base. It was really easy to install. I would have actually put this part on indoors if it had not been for me thinking it was going to be a little difficult to carry out by myself. So really easy. It came with the 4 screws and the little wrench to tighten the screws up. Really easy. Also noticed on their website they were given 5 stars by everyone. Everyone said they're really comfortable, and I absolutely love them. So let me introduce to you my black woven rope outdoor swivel chair with 360-degree rotation. You can actually choose between white and black, but I went with this gorgeous black, and I could not be happier with my choice. So if you're looking for some unique and stylish furniture pieces, definitely check out Homary.com. Use my link as well as my coupon code HMM85 for you to save 15% off. Thank you, Homary, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Before getting our new swivel chairs, my husband and I had really been enjoying our outdoor space with our family and friends. We even changed our layout to better suit our needs. Originally, we had an L-shaped sofa over here, but I decided to remove one piece along with an end piece, transforming it into a long sofa. We also added an egg chair that was previously located in another part of the backyard. To refresh the furniture, I removed remove the stained white covers, soak them in a bleach water solution, and then wash them in the washing machine. Once they were clean, I added the pillow inserts back to the cushions and pillows. This created some additional seating that was very cozy. Additionally, we needed to replace our outdoor curtains, so I picked up some grommet curtain panels for our pergola. Each package came with 2 panels and these little bags to be attached and used to weigh down the curtains by adding some weights or some rocks. I only needed 2 packages since we mainly close the longer side of the pergola when the sun is out. We use these outdoor curtains not just for their aesthetic appeal, but also to block the sun, which tends to shine directly where we have them installed. This afternoon, I unboxed the curtain panels and laid them out so my husband can hang them when he got home. The installation is a bit higher than usual, but we use a metal pole that we installed some years ago, which makes it easier for him to manage. I'll show you more of this process a little later. In my opinion, your backyard is not complete without adding some form of additional lighting. I shared these solar pathway lights in a recent haul and they were gifted to me. I selected them because they fit the aesthetics of my home, but before I install them in my little flower bed, I need to assemble them. Assembling these solar pathway lights were incredibly simple. I am impressed by their construction, a sturdy metal frame and stem complemented by a durable plastic casing around the glass window. My current solar pathway lights are made of plastic, which has caused the windows to yellow and discolor over time. With these new lights featuring this glass, I anticipate being able to easily clean them, ensuring they will remain clear and functional for a long time. The hubby is home, so he is installing our new curtain panels, outdoor panels, and it was really easy to install. He used a screwdriver to remove it from the pergola, and then he used a wire plier and a wrench to loosen the 2 pieces that were joined together. And after he did that, I politely handed him the new curtains and he attached everything back. And this is how this little area is looking right now. Absolutely love it. And here is a daytime view of the space. Absolutely love the way those lights are shining. And thank you, Homary, for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to click the link and use my coupon code HMM85 to save 15% off your purchase. And thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It does help my channel. And be on the lookout for more videos. We have a few that are going to be rolling out off schedule, so be sure to have that notification bell on. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.